Ronnie reporting this Saturday, over a dozen high school and middle school teams will be facing off at the Rec Foundation's regional qualifying event for a chance at the National Drone Competition. Joining us live, CEO of RoboLink and creator of the Education Drone, Hansel Hong, to tell us more about this weekend's competition. Wes Su, also coming from RoboLink. You're going to show us a demonstration here in a moment, but let's start with you. Tell us a little bit about this competition. How fun is this going to be?
Yeah, so we're very excited to have this competition. There's about 1,800 teams participating throughout the nation.
Wow!
And this weekend there will be 28 local teams from San Diego participating in it. It's a little bit more special because this event we bring all of the schools from. It's more about equity, and then students who can't really access this easily, where these are hand-picked schools that that were invitated by UCSD Create, which is a group for education and inequity. And we'll be participating competition for the first time. So we're super excited about it.
That's great. So a lot of first timers maybe around drones here. So that's going to be really cool. How does these competitions work? What are you trying to win? How do you win? Like, walk us through a competition.
Yeah, there's many different. There's like 4 different missions. There's like mission that requires teamwork. So 2 teams participating together and then collaborating together. There's a fully autonomous portion where students will be coding, and then students don't touch any drone, and then drone will be doing everything.
Oh, interesting.
And then there's also presentation, and then there's a solo pilot mission. So there's a few different missions, and then you combine all of those scores together, and then you potentially win the competition.
A lot of STEM-based technology here, right? Science, technology, engineering, math. These are what, future engineers, future potentially even drone operators, right? I mean, there's a need for drone pilots out there.
Yeah, we are hoping there will be a lot of future engineers, future drone pilots, but it's also for anyone who's just interested in technology. It's just such an integral part of our lives these days. So even if you're not going to be an engineer or drone pilot, we highly recommend people to participate.
Yeah, I was just talking to you guys before, and Wes, go ahead and show us how this works.
Yeah,
we're interested in seeing this. These have come so far from the many years ago when I first got, we got some of these for my kids. They were not built very well. They'd blow away quickly. They were tough to fly, and now they're pinpoint, right? You can go pretty much anywhere with this, and you know exactly where it's going to go. Wes, you've gotten pretty good at this over the years. How many years have you been flying drones?
Probably like 7 years.
7 years? Okay.
Yeah.
Can you talk to us about the technology and how it's advanced?
Sure. So there are 7 sensors on board, and one of the things that's keeping it from drifting around is it's looking at the floor, it's checking the pattern below, and it's trying to make sure that it's keeping the same pattern. So
wow, so it's looking at patterns now.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it's also just checking like gyrometer, how much it's tilting, and trying to keep it stable.
It's self-correcting itself?
Yeah.
That's amazing. And this one looks like it's pretty lightweight here. Is this, which one is this? Is this the ones that kids are going to be using?
It's called CodeDrone EDU.
CodeDrone EDU. Is this something people can go out and buy?
Yeah, you can go on our website at robolink.com, robolink.com, and then you can purchase from there as well.
Okay, ages 12 plus?
Yes.
Okay, so you're saying that these have gotten so far, and it's just, and that's how it makes the competition a little easier, easier to navigate, I would imagine.
Yeah. Some of the things you have to do in the competition is to code it to recognize the color that it landed on.
Wow.
So it's using sensors to pick up color.
So cool. Lots involved here. Hey guys, is there a website people can go for the competition to learn more?
Yeah, you can go to robotevents.com.
Okay.
So it's ROBOTEVENTS.com.
Perfect.